What is EBU?
EBU is a foundation in Miss Mazowiecki, one small city close to Warsaw. EBU was the best choice for us, for me and my two partners here during these 6 months. We really enjoyed during these 6 months doing different activities with all the population in Miss Mazowiecki. Now we will explain you what we did here. I hope you like it.
So about the toddlers, this activity concerns the small one with their parents. So they come in the library and it's during 1 hour. So we start with a song, after we read a book in Polish, and after it's the opportunity to do an activity about the book. Usually it's a craft.
I was volunteer in Miss Mazowiecki for the project Sky is the Limit. It was an amazing experience. I preferred working with children in kindergarten. I went there different times per week and I stayed in each group around 15-20 minutes teaching them different songs about animals, transport medium, everything in English, and it was really amazing.
Also, we went in almost all the schools in Miss Mazowiecki, primary, middle and high school. There we did different activities trying to promote our culture, Spain, France and Italy. And all of this we did it in the English class, speaking English with them and try to understand then the importance of learn other languages for communicate with foreigner people. We really enjoyed these activities.
Barszcząca is the name of a village next to Miss Mazowiecki. We go there once a week during 2 hours. There are 2 groups, one with a low level and one with a better level of English. And the goal of this activity is to share the culture with adults. And it's all in English, so we can speak with them and they can learn English at the same time. It's really interesting and we create really good relation with this person.
We spent time also with the University of Third Age. I taught them Latino dance 2 times and also we share our culture about food. So I taught them, for example, how to make tiramisu, but the French girl taught them how to make the crepes and the Spanish girl how to make omelette, tortilla, and they taught us how to make pierogi. So it was an exchange culture about many things and we really enjoyed a lot this time.
Besides, we also do activities in the library in the Cultural Palace, different workshops about concrete topics like Carnival, Halloween or Christmas. In these workshops, the children really enjoy, and we try to exchange these topics in our countries and share with them. So it's so nice.
So all the volunteers of the project have the opportunity to do 3 evenings during 6 months. This is the opportunity to speak about our culture. During 1 hour and 15 minutes we present one topic that we chose before, and the goal is to make it interactive with the population, and yes, the population have the opportunity to learn something about our culture. So for example, I did something about beliefs and these kind of things, and to make it interactive we do some activities during the 1 hour and 15 minutes, and the last 15 minutes is for the food, the local food that we prepared before, traditional food from our country that we prepared before.
I had the opportunity also every Monday to teach Latino dance. It is my passion that my coordinator gave to me, and I taught to different people every Monday in the Palace of Culture in Minsk Mazowiecki from 7:30 to 9 Latino dance. It was really amazing see how many people came during 6 months.
We do one activity called University of Kids. We have 2 groups of kids, 30 in each group. This activity is structured in 2 parts. The first part is about some philology, for example, Spanish philology or French philology or Italian philology, and the second part is connected with 1 degree. For example, we already did geography, doctor, but could be the next one archaeology, for example.
So the French Club, this activity concerns the French volunteer. We give the class in one of the schools of Minsk Mazowiecki called Copernic School. So we give the class in French, and we are assisted by the teacher, the Polish teacher. This activity is 2 times a week, 1 hour and a half, and we do the activity we want. For example, we can speak about French culture, we can do something about tradition, as I did before. And it's nice to let them know how to introduce themselves and these kind of things.
We also had the opportunity to speak our mother tongue. Mine is Italian, but we had also conversation in French and Spanish. People had the opportunities to have conversation with us for free. They had 4 conversations in the library. So it was a nice experience also for them to share with us our cultures.
All the activities that we did also from Fundacja EBU, they give us the possibility to make real our personal projects. For example, I really like play football. I create a big tournament in Minsk Mazowiecki between 4 schools, teenagers from 12 to 16 years old. Was really amazing, and a lot of people came to enjoy with a weekend of sports.